Teams from across Basin Electric recently visited Plant Vogtle in Waynesboro, Georgia, and the Idaho National Laboratory in Idaho Falls, Idaho. Plant Vogtle features 4 nuclear reactors, and recently the plant completed Units 3 and 4, making them the first nuclear units to be constructed in the U.S. in the last 30 years. The plant has a total generating capacity of approximately 4,800 megawatts. The Idaho National Laboratory is one of 17 U.S. Department of Energy national laboratories and is renowned for its pioneering work in nuclear reactor technology, including generating the first usable nuclear electricity in 1951. Kyle Weisbeck, Basin Electric Mechanical Engineering Supervisor, shares more about his visit to the Idaho National Lab and how the Horizons team encourages this outreach.
Idaho National Labs, they're primarily known for their nuclear work, their nuclear research and development, but in our tour we also found out that they do a lot of work with grid reliability studies and cybersecurity, as well as renewable energy development. We were able to visit their material and fuels complex, where they do a lot of their different testing on nuclear fuels, spent fuels, new fuels, and the development of better enriched fuels. One of the things they were doing there that was pretty unique is they're melting down some existing fuel from a former reactor. So that spent fuel is being melted down to produce fuel for new test reactors that'll be operated there in the future. One of the other places we got to visit within the material and fuels complex is their structural lab. It's a new lab that was constructed on site, hasn't been commissioned yet, but they'll use it to test different steels and things and how radioactivity will affect those materials as they continue to advance nuclear design.
The Horizons team at Basin Electric is a multifunctional team tasked with reviewing various proposals that come in about different technologies or opportunities. Visits to sites like Plant Vogtle and Idaho National Lab are crucial when it comes to learning about new technologies.
I think visits like these really enhance our information on where the current status is of that and what it's going to look like in the future, what we can expect, and when we can start to see some of these reactors become commercial and start to kind of understand what the picture looks like 5-10 years from now.
Basin Electric will continue to monitor advancements in nuclear technology and consider how it might fit into its portfolio in the future.